Welcome to the enchanting world of Once Upon a Time. I'm Miss Claus, brought to you by the magic of Once Upon a Time, here to teach everyone about Christmas through reading. Our book today is Construction Site, Merry and Bright. I know a couple of kiddos who really love this book. Remember, if you like any of these books that I read, you can always ask your parents for them for Christmas. Construction Site, Merry and Bright by Sherry Dusky, Wrinkler, and A.G. Ford. Let's begin. In the big construction yard, tough truck friends are working hard. Today's big job is done at last, and Christmas Eve is coming fast. But how will big trucks celebrate? Each one is planning something great. Here comes Flatbed and Skid Steer with a load of Christmas cheer. So he's bringing a load of Christmas cheer. Crane truck dips his boom to look, then lifts up something on his hook. He holds it tight for all to see. It's a giant Christmas tree. Excavator is coming through. He is hauling something too. Slowly he rolls to a stop and raises his boom to the top. He tips his bucket carefully and puts a star right on the tree. Bulldozer's path is strong and straight. He pushes something towards the gate. He tilts his blade, he grits his teeth and sets up one huge Christmas wreath. Dump trucks rolling down the road. He hauls a great big heavy load through this frosty winter night with special cargo packed in tight. He tilts his bed down towards the ground, and presents pour out all around. Cement mixer pours out something new. His friend Skid Steer is helping too. She rolls along to pull and lift. They work together sure and swift. And now the dark and wintry nights will glow with miles of Christmas lights. Construction site is looking fine, with garlands, gifts, and things that shine. But big trucks know true Christmas cheer is in the joy of good friends near. A time to gather, give, and share. A season filled with love and care. Construction site, merry and bright. Merry Christmas and shh. Good night. What a great story. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you listen in to the upcoming stories, and I hope that you like and subscribe and share with your friends so we can unlock more magic, so even more characters can appear to read their stories and their books to you. It was great seeing you all again, and I hope that I see you again soon. If you like any of the books, make sure to tell your parents so they can get some for you. See you next time.